What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Last day, on the Dex activity, Nadeko Ginea got his parade to represent welcoming to worship Loang Po Saturn, Year 133, and annual event in Chachueng South 2566. Nadek Ginea looks so handsome on his photos and video clips, and one of his fans uploaded it with the caption, "The one and only handsome man," and Nadek is like a Greek goddess. Nadek Ginea was spotted at the area in front of the school vocational college. Both sides are making very loud screams, including the sound from the building. As you can see, many fans was there to join the parade that Nadex represented it. Nadek was also happy and enjoys it. His mother-in-law preparing, praying a merit for them and Urasaya. Rosaya was also busy preparing some project and new update for her commercial from Fine Line. Then my couple today may be busy, but Pamepla was to the rescue for them, reminding that they belong together.